How to create an ACH from a NACHA file. To get started, select Money Movement from the top navigation and then ACH from the drop-down menu. If you are making a payment, make sure you have selected the Make Payment menu option. And if you are collecting money, you should have selected the Collect Money menu option. Click Create a Template and follow the prompts. Please keep in mind that maximum transfer amount is the highest dollar value within the ACH template that you are uploading. Once you have filled out the required fields, click Continue. Select the Import Details option on the right side of the screen. This will always be NACHA file definitions. Select the NACHA option and click Continue. Click Browse and locate your file to import. Once you've selected it, we always recommend choosing the Adding a New and Updating Existing Transactions option. You will then get a file import confirmation letting you know that the file was successfully imported. On this screen, you can click View Template to see the transactions. If you would like to make any edits or upload a new template, click the pencil icon within the template and follow the prompts to import details, just as you did when establishing the first template. You can then follow the prompts, as you did above, to submit the batch. You have now created an ACH from a NACHA file.